one lady came from the office, late night, 11 o'clock, fully tired. She is not in a position to change dress and then to go for a dinner also. Then she thought that once I reached home, directly I will go to the bedroom and I have to lie down and I have to sleep. Like that, she prepared mentally. She came to the house. She went to the bedroom like that. Suddenly, her boyfriend made a call. Shall we go to the pub? Shall we go to the pub? Then, do you know? Hurry, you, is it? Okay, just give 5 minutes time, 10 minutes time. I will ready and then I will come. The same lady, full of joy, she went to the pub and she came home early morning 5 o'clock and then she slept. Where is the difference, man? For doing office work, she is feeling tired, bored, not in a position to eat dinner also. Coming to the bed, Arey, the same lady, shall we go for pub? Yeah, why not? Same behavior you people can see in your house also. For your kid, Arey, go to the school. Arey, please wake up, Ra, please wake up. Bus time is going to be happen. Okay, wake up, get ready. Like, he is not in a position to do that. Holiday time, Arey, today we are going out. Today we are going for Wonderla, water park. Okay, get ready. Are you half an hour before only is going to be ready, man? Where? So, if you feel joy in the activity, your brain is always going to do that. Repeat, do that activity. Like, if you are feeling any difficulty or losing something, you are not feeling happy, then your brain is always going to tell, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Like, that's why what you're required to do is add joy to the activities. What you should compulsory required to do that. Add joy to the activities. What you should compulsory required to do that. That's one technique to overcome procrastination. I hope everyone in the position to understand.
Yes, sir.
So, don't keep this disease in your body forever. Already, we hold this disease, for last 30 years onwards, for the last 40 years onwards. Don't keep the chance anymore for this. Otherwise, it is going to eat our success. It's going to eat our happiness. Just like a pest, how it is going to eat wood. Remember,